So, you're looking into Westpac cards. Maybe you're setting up your first bank account, or perhaps you're thinking about a new credit card. Whatever the reason, the question is, what type of card is Westpac? The simple answer is that Westpac offers a wide range of cards to suit different financial needs. They aren't just one type. For your everyday spending, you'll most likely be looking at a debit card. Their most common one is the Westpac Debit MasterCard. This card is linked directly to your everyday transaction account, like the Westpac Choice account. When you use it, you're spending your own money that's already in your account. It's a great tool for budgeting and avoiding debt. You can use it in stores, online, and for ATM withdrawals, all with the security of the MasterCard network. But what if you need more flexibility? Westpac also has a robust selection of credit cards. These are cards that let you borrow money up to a set limit. Unlike a debit card, you'll need to pay this money back, often with interest. Westpac's credit cards are generally categorized by what they offer. You have rewards cards, like their Altitude series, which let you earn points on your spending that can be redeemed for flights, products, or cashback. Then there are the low-rate and low-fee cards, which are designed for people who carry a balance and want to minimize interest charges or annual fees. They also have cards tailored for specific purposes, such as business credit cards or even cards that earn frequent flyer points directly with airlines like Qantas or Velocity. So, Westpac isn't just one type of card. They're a bank that provides a full spectrum, from basic debit cards for daily use to a variety of credit cards, each with its own features and benefits. The type of Westpac card that's right for you really depends on your spending habits and financial goals. Are you focused on avoiding debt and sticking to a budget? A debit card is your best bet. Do you want to earn rewards on your purchases and have a line of credit for larger expenses? A rewards credit card might be a good fit. By understanding these different types, you can make a smart choice for your money.